At Shockwave Roofing, we know that even minor roof damage can quickly turn into a serious problem for your home. Our team is committed to providing fast, dependable solutions that restore the safety and durability of your roof. If you need professional roof repair in London, Ontario, we're here to help protect your home from leaks, weather damage, and structural issues. Roof damage can occur from strong winds, heavy rain, aging materials, or missing shingles. We provide thorough inspections to ensure every issue is properly identified before repairs begin. Our team focuses on repairing damaged areas while preserving the integrity of your existing roofing system whenever possible. We repair common roofing issues such as leaks, cracked shingles, flashing damage, and storm-related wear. By addressing these problems early, we help prevent further damage to your home's structure. Call 226-977-1132 or visit shockwaveroofing.ca/residential-roofing/roofing-repair. Shockwave Roofing, reliable roofing solutions built to weather every storm.